Thinking about how much life insurance you'll need to protect your family's future? In this brief video, we'll provide some general guidelines for you to consider. The fact is, answering the how much question can be pretty tricky. It depends on a number of variables, including your marital status, how many dependents you have, your current and projected income, the value of your assets, and your preferred lifestyle. So how do you determine if you need $100,000, $250,000, $500,000, or more in life insurance coverage? To help you answer this, you'll want to start by gathering all of your personal financial information and develop an estimate of what your family would need to meet their financial obligations if you die unexpectedly. In the insurance industry, we've cleverly come up with a catchy acronym that can help you get your mind around the various factors you need to consider when determining how much life insurance you need. The acronym is DIME. D is for debt, as in personal debt, including credit cards, car payments, lines of credit, and so forth. I is for income. Your family depends on your income to help cover living expenses. You need to consider how much they would need to replace your income and how long they would need it. M is for mortgage. Certainly, you'd want your family to maintain the kind of life you've built together. Think about what it would take for your family to pay off the mortgage if you were out of the picture. E is for education. If your children attend private school, there are already substantial costs incurred. And with college costs skyrocketing every year, if you don't plan to meet those costs if you're not around, their dreams of a great higher education may go out the window. So after you put some thought into the DIME process, you'll have a better idea of how much money your family would need to maintain their existing lifestyle and the money needed for future expenses. Next, you'd want to compare that number to whatever resources would be available if you're not around. This includes things like your spouse's income, any savings you may have, and any life insurance you may already own. The difference between your family's needs and the resources in place to meet those needs is what you should put in place as additional life insurance. So that's a high-level review of the formula, but it's not as simple a process as you might think. Every individual and every family is different. There's no cookie-cutter answer. And there are a lot of options, not only in the amount of coverage, but in different types of insurance as well. Term insurance, whole life insurance, permanent insurance, universal insurance. You've probably heard the terms, but may not know the difference between them. The best way to figure out how much life insurance you need and what type is to have an insurance professional conduct what's called the financial needs analysis. Your local insurance agent does that sort of thing on a daily basis, and there's really no substitute for the personal guidance and assistance you'll receive by meeting with a licensed professional. So if you're serious about protecting your family's future, be sure to contact us today.